To add notes to a widget, select the widget. Click the Notes panel, and you can start adding notes in the default Notes input field. After adding one note, an additional note field will appear below. Click the gear icon in the top right to display the Notes, Fields, and Sets pop-up. Double-click a field to rename it. Click the Add button next to it to add a new field with options for text, select list, and number types. We'll add a text field for widget list, a number field for priority, and a select list field for team. On the right side, enter 3 options for the select list, with each option on a new line. Click Done to confirm. You'll see each note now has the 3 fields we just set up. Click the More button next to the note to choose whether to include widget text, widget interactions, or include both. We'll select Include Both, which will display both the widget text and interactions in the notes. To exclude interaction notes, click Exclude Interactions. By clicking the gear icon in the top right, you can reorder or delete fields in the pop-up panel. Preview the prototype and you'll see 3 numbers on the button representing note markers. Clicking a marker brings up a pop-up panel displaying the notes we entered.